Hi students, today I am going to teach water harvesting, water harvesting and and conservation. This is coming under in module 5. What do you mean by water harvesting and conservation? My name is Sakesh Shetty. I'm from AJ Engineering College, Mangalore. What do you mean by water harvesting and conservation? Water harvesting means it is a rainwater. It's one of the, we can say, the water how we can store and how we can utilize for future future any need time. How that is called water harvesting. It is, can we can say, store water, store water and use for needy time, or we can say that one where when the need arises, when need arises. And conservation also, that is one more technique to use water and store and use water in that future using the most efficient availability of what it's water harvesting. In that in the rainwater harvesting we are using for when it is rain comes, we are storing that water and further when need arises, in that time we are supplying the water for future water for public use. That is called the water harvesting system. So this principle of water harvesting and conservation is the one. This is the many techniques used for water harvesting systems. We can say we can harvest the water using rooftop techniques. Rooftop techniques means water will collect from the rooftop and we can make it small trench and use that water for further use. That is also one of the techniques. And first we'll discuss about what is the principle of water harvesting techniques, principle of water harvesting and conservation. Principle of water harvesting and conservation. Principle of water harvesting and conservation. What first it design the which techniques to use to make more efficient use of water, available water. It is important to consider how crops receive or lose water. Crops receive water through rainfall and or irrigation and stored soil water. They lose it through runoff, evaporation and drainage, or some key principle effective of water management are. So for example, this is the one crop. When we are water using for this for crops, so the water will use this is the root. Water use this plant by different techniques. What we are pouring the water right now. When rainfall comes, water, this water it will use, and what no, rainfall water it will use. And here the two we can divide it two times. One is loose water and another one is receive. Crops receive or lose water. How we can receive? This is rainfall is receiving water. Lose or lose it, and another one is receive. Crop receive water. Lose or receive water. How we can lose it? How we can lose the water? This crop by lose the water by using evaporation. But receive rainfall receive by rainfall systems. When its rainfall comes, water will use, this crop will use. And another one is irrigation and drip irrigation, different irrigation systems, irrigation irrigation system that supply the. And next, stored soil water, stored soil water. These different techniques they use in deciding which techniques to use to make more efficient use of available water. One is it is important to consider how crops receive or these crops receive or lose water. This is rain receive means rainfall, the water will receive. And also same time irrigation and stored soil water also, the water will this plant will utilize that water. They lose through runoff. This it means this water will lose because of runoff. And evaporation, runoff also one of the reason. And evaporation and drainage. And what we can use conserve this is the lose and receive the water. I said that this is the runoff. Also we the water, when it's what soil is fully filled with water, there is no infiltration, so water is converting it as runoff, so that is also lose of the water. And evaporation, water will be converting to liquid state to gaseous state, that is called evaporation. And another one is drainage also, when the water, if it paved surface, the water will directly converting into runoff, the water will go for this one. So that is all the loose water. And receive water, I said the rainfall, irrigation and stored soil, everything is received water. So how we can manage the effective water management? So what is the key principle of effective water management are, that we need to discuss here. So what is the key principle of effective water management? Key principle of effective water management. Key principles on effective water management. Key principles on effective water management. What is the key principle of effective water management? First one is